Joining me now, Motley Fool portfolio manager Shelby McFaddin. She's got $2.6 billion in assets under management. Reveal the name of this travel stock.
Well, the magical name is Booking Holdings, and it's one of the top positions in our Innovative Growth Fund. And the reason for that is they're number one. They are the top of what they do in online travel agencies. And that market in particular is pretty fragmented, which works out really well when you have the scale to go ahead and be a top operator. Now, they're a little bit too big to do a little bit of gobbling up of too many competitors, but they're able to make changes really quickly. They have led with that innovative growth when it comes to things like their connected trip strategy. So trying to get ahead of things like self-healing trips. You need to cancel something. The app is trying to go ahead and do other things for you, reschedule your cars, things like that. So making it more of a consumer experience.
You're seeing this as a good play right now because long-term it's done pretty well. Short-term, it's down about 9% over the last 6 months. We just talked to Kevin O'Leary about the tensions between the U.S. and Canada. Last year, tourism between the two had fallen more than 20%. A lot of Canadians not interested in coming here because of the tensions. But does that affect it at all, or is that only just a portion of its bigger picture?
No, absolutely fair to consider. And I do think it's a portion of the bigger picture. It's something that's going to happen to everyone in that field. So Airbnb, Expedia, everyone has to deal with this. The airlines have had to deal with it. Yeah. But one thing about Booking is they do have a bit of an outsized position in Europe, right? So there are some really sought after destinations there, especially in the hotel space. So they have a little bit of a hedge almost, if you will, where they're able to absorb that sort of macro shock and then say, you know what, we have a lot of assets over here.
Interesting to talk about travel on a day where it's a little bit frozen at the moment. Shelby, stay warm in Virginia. Thanks so much for joining us.